In the meantime, opposition parties are not waiting for the BJP to come out with a formal explanation. They have said that Yediyurappa must immediately be sacked as the chief minister and ousted from the party.
The Lokayukt has alleged that his phones are being tapped and his material is being hacked. There is a controversy over the leakage, but nobody, including the Lokayukt, nobody has denied the report, the contents of the report. It's an extremely serious matter, but nothing is serious enough for the BJP. Now the report finds direct evidence of crores of rupees changing hands directly at the door of the chief minister, his sons, his family, his trusts. You have 4 ministers directly by name indicted with material. What do I expect? Nothing. I expect a sophisticated, flimsy excuse as the BJP has been making over the last 2 years. Otherwise, immediate resignation of the chief minister should be the starting point. Immediate resignation of every other minister should be the starting point. Complete revamp. The state should call for and give consent for a CBI inquiry. Criminal cases have to be pursued. This is only a Lokayukt report. But those who are thick-skinned, those who preach without practice, those who believe in never doing what they say, are going to remain unmoved. We have very little hope.
Earlier, when similar allegations would come out, really, as far as Yediyurappa and the BJP are concerned, they would merely rubbish it as charges that are made by opposition which are politically motivated. But now with the Lokayukta actually going ahead and in fact taking all of the evidence available really as and bringing out the report, really clearly indicting and playing out the role of the Karnataka Chief Minister. Certainly a lot of pressure that's building on the Karnataka Chief Minister really from the various opposition parties. Also, of course, last time around when similar allegations had surfaced, really, of course, we had seen the central leadership brush the entire issue under the carpet. But repeatedly such allegations coming out and now coming out from the Lokayukta no less, certainly, of course, would raise a lot of questions as far as the tenability of Yediyurappa is concerned. Remains to be seen really how the party's central leadership accepts this entire report and what they have to react in this regard.